Hi there, welcome back. Recently, I did a couple videos sharing makeup brushes. I started out with makeup brushes for the face, sharing my favorites and how I use them. Then I did a follow-up video talking about makeup brushes for the eyes. Well, today I'm just going to share a couple products with you. It's going to be the makeup brushes that I use for lips. Let me share that both of the brushes that I use are drugstore, so they are super affordable. I will also explain to you how I use the brushes. The first brush that I want to talk about is actually my second one. I wore out the first one. I had a hard time finding it, and then I purchased a couple other lip brushes and I did not like them, so I ended up going back to this one right here, which is the Real Techniques retractable lip brush. This brush does have a cap like this, but it is retractable. So you can put it in there, you can put the lid on there, and then the brush will actually slide up. What I do with this brush is I use it to apply my lipstick. So I am somebody that I line my lips with a lip pencil. Then I will take my lip brush and I will dab it into the lipstick, and then I will fill in my lips, and I will also define around where the lip pencil is. I like that for blending purposes, but when I am done doing that, I will still take the lipstick and dab it on my lip as well. I have found that I have better staying power with my lipstick if I use a lip brush to apply my lipstick prior to dabbing the lipstick on. The second brush that I want to mention is called Begin Magic, and I love this brush. So you pull it apart, and then you slide it in and the brush will come up. What I love about this brush is actually just how dense it is and the shape of the brush as well. Now, I don't use this brush all the time. I also do not use this brush for lipstick. This brush is actually only for a concealer. I carry a small compact Bare Minerals concealer in medium 2 because it's a good color for my skin. And if I need to do any touch-up work around my lipstick, let's just say something is a little off or a little crooked, especially if you are doing a bold lip or a red lip, a deep berry lip, anything like that, sometimes we need to do some detail work around the lipstick itself. What I do with this particular lip brush is I will dab it slightly into the concealer and I will do the touch-up work. And there's just something about the shape of this brush that is so perfect. I always carry this on me, and I also always carry the Real Techniques brush. A while back, I did do a video sharing what's in my cosmetic case that I carry for on the go. I will have that video linked below because really, everything that I carry today is still the same. These may be upgrades, or at least the one brush probably is. I'm sure the Real Techniques brush I was probably using at that time, and I'm sure I was using this concealer, but these always go with me. The other thing too is, let's say you go out to dinner and a little bit of your lipstick gets smudged on the side of your face or down on your chin. I mean, it does happen, guys. Let's just be honest. We do have mishaps. This concealer right here is great for anything like that. So I love it for on the go, even if I needed to conceal something on my face. All the products that I talked about today will be linked in the drop-down box below, as well as on the corresponding blog post. And that should pretty much round up our brushes. We've covered face, eyes, and now the lips. I appreciate you being with me for this series. Let me know what else you would like to see as far as makeup goes. Whatever it may be when it comes to beauty, I would love to share. All comments and suggestions are welcome. All right, have a great day. We'll see you soon.